Hi guys, this is the Mary Queen channel, and today we are going to show you how to plant an apple tree and show you some pretty flowers in our front yard. So stay tuned. Here we have some pink flowers and some red flowers too. Very beautiful. They are very beautiful. Some more pink, and we have some purple flowers on our fence connected to our house too, and they are very beautiful as well. So now we are going to show you how to plant an apple tree, but we are only showing you how to plant the seed. So first you have to make a hole and then you put the seed. Okay? So now I am digging to make a hole to put the seed inside. So now my sister is going to put the seed. Now you have to put the dirt that you took out on top. Some over here. Cover it, Abby. So now we are going to put some water. Now that we are done, we will let you know when it starts to grow. Please subscribe, like and share. Allah Hafiz.